This is just the quickest way I found to take these factory radios out of these trucks. I've seen a lot of people struggling with wire and messing around. It looks really harder than it has to be. What you're gonna see is those two little holes there on each side. If I can get the focus, there we go. I just take a little screwdriver, whatever you got. I'm even gonna use a little Allen key thing. Just stick them in there. And you just push them over, and it just slides right out. You don't gotta fiddle fart around and make this more difficult than it needs to be. Except that it won't do it now. It's fighting me. Go figure. Okay, well, you get the idea. I can't do it with one hand. I'll come back once it's out. Alright, much better with two hands. So I got it loose. It just slides right out. I actually reinstalled this factory unit in this truck. It had an aftermarket one. So the issue I'm finding now is that the antenna seems to be loose. So it just scrolls and scrolls and scrolls through stations. Never actually finds one. So I'm just going to go ahead and pull that out, see if I can find something to stuff in there, maybe a piece of wire that tightens it up. And then we'll come back. So I got it working. Just took a little piece of a brat nail I had kicking around, actually just stuffed it in there just to push the antenna up. The picture goes in. I just pushed it that way a little bit to make it so the inside part contacted its contact. Now it's working good. So that's all there is to it. You don't got to make it rocket science. Use something strong and hard, not a piece of wire.